is also a no pressure stroke, but it's called the upstroke, where as you're going up, as the same way for the interest stroke when you're forming new letters, when you're lettering, this one is just going upward in an upward straight position. But at the same time, each time you go up, you do not want to apply pressure. You relax, have a relaxed hand, which to me makes it more comfortable getting used to, and you're just using your wrist, direct your pen to go up. See that? A thin line. Each time you go up, you want to create a thin line, no pressure applying to your pen. Going up, straight, no pressure. Up, stroke, no pressure. The same technique applies to the entry stroke as it does the upstroke.